How to summarize pages using Perplexity AI.
So you can see right here that Perplexity AI is something that actually answers your question and uses citations for them. So this is actually a very reliable tool. So you can also use this to summarize pages that you're reading. So let's head over right here to a new tab and let's search in here for Perplexity AI extension. Once you have searched for that, you can see this on the Chrome web store. Head over and click on that. And then from in there, click on this Add to Chrome button that will show. So let's head over and add this particular extension to our Google Chrome. So as you can see, it's been added right here to our Google Chrome. So let's head over and then try to summarize the page. So I have in here an article. Let's head over and click on our extensions right here. And then let's click on our Perplexity AI. Now let's head over and click on it right there in order to activate this Perplexity AI right there. So you can see that we can ask this anything related to this page. So let's head over and click on the summarize right here in order to summarize the content of this page. Let's click on the summarize right here, and then as you can see, it will show you the answer. So in here, the question is, are polar bears going extinct or are their populations doing well? So the answer to that is polar bears are not thriving at all, which means that this very long page right here has been summarized in just 3 paragraphs. So in here, you can also see that I also cited the same actual page that you can see from in there. So you can choose the source. For this source, I have chosen this page, and you can also choose the actual domain.
So that's how you summarize pages using Perplexity AI. Hope we helped.